So in this video, I'm gonna be explaining is vidIQ worth it? I'm talking about if vidIQ is worth it. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead, like and share and subscribe. Also, if you have questions or anything you want me to talk about, just leave me a comment. So from my personal experience, I use vidIQ for my YouTube content. Personally, it has some stuff on there that helps with my titles, my thumbnails, a little bit of everything. Honestly, for me it helps me a lot with my content. So that's one reason why I use it, and until other or explain about how it works and helps my content when I be making content, especially with my titles as well. I'll be explaining how it works towards the end of this video, so just be sure to watch the whole video. It's simple to work. Also, it's not as hard as you would think it would be to use when creating your content. Step by steps. The best way to learn it would just to go ahead and just download it and use it yourself for your content, and so you can better understand how it works. It's not that hard though. You can download. I think it's on Apple, Google Apple, and Android, so you can download it from there. I think it's a really cool app. I think it's a really good app to use. It helps me a lot with my content. I would suggest that app to use when you look, especially like it helps with generating scores for your content when you're finished recording it, so then you can have an idea of what you need to work on. Hey man, you ever been outside?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, y'all just like it's went outside. Sorry, that's my little one. But yeah, I would suggest it, especially for making content for YouTube, which what it's basically used for. Son, why are you getting up here with your shoes on? But yeah, that helps a lot. When coming up with ideas for your content as well, and titles as well for your content. Here you go. The way I use it basically, if I have like ideas, I want to write down what I want to come up with my ideas for my titles. It also can be used for generating your thumbnails as well. It automatically generates your thumbnails for your titles. It'll actually generate your script, your descriptions, your hashtags, everything and anything that you'll need for your YouTube content. It'll automatically generate that. So when you actually download it, you'll see like the home tab, and at the top, the left corner, it'll have a spot where you can actually type in your title of what your content you want to actually create, and it'll auto generate, AI generate everything for you. It's very simple, very easy. It's not that hard at all to make the content on there and use it. It also offers help also has a learning panel on there, which can help you with learning how YouTube algorithm works and how to come up and create good titles for your YouTube content. So just practice and actually using the app to your advantage, because in the long run it'll make it a lot more faster when you're creating your content, going through your content process as well. There's also other apps that you can use, which I'll probably make a video on that too as well. But this, the Vidiq is probably one of my favorite apps that I use when creating my content. I'll actually try to find a link to Vidiq and put in the description where you can go to it and get access to it a lot faster. Like I said, there's also the app that you can download from Apple Store and Android through through the store shop. The app shop, you can download it through the app, or you can look it up on the internet as well and download it. So it all depends on like how you want to get access to it, or how, you know, maybe you just want to download it. Like I said, it's very simple. It offers help on there. If you need help with creating your content or having questions about your content, it offers that on there. It gives you quizzes also, so it's kind of like you learn the process of using the app and everything that you need to learn as far as like what you want the audience to see, how you want to connect with the audience through your titles, your algorithm, all like one process. It's pretty cool. I'm in the process myself, learning more ways to use it. So I would say just go ahead and try it out for yourself and see how you like it. And if you have any questions about it, any more questions about it, go ahead and leave me a comment. If you haven't already, like, share, and subscribe. You guys have a great day. Peace.